Step into the world of culinary delights at Prince Casey channel. Today we unveil a special edition filled with kitchen delicacies that will tantalize your taste buds. Experience the vibrant aromas and mesmerizing colors of our carefully crafted dishes. With each recipe, you'll learn the art of cooking while enjoying the joy of creating mouth-watering meals. Join us in this flavorful journey and let's cook together. Today's special coconut rice and raw banana kebab. Take 2 raw banana and peel the outer skin. Chop it to medium pieces. Add 100 grams of kebab powder. Add 1 spoon red chili powder. Add half spoon of turmeric powder and salt. Add 1 and half of poppy seeds or gasa. Add half cup of water and prepare thick paste. Now add raw banana into the mixture. Add 1 spoon of ginger and garlic paste. Mix well and rest it for 30 minutes. Ingredients for coconut rice. Heat oil in a pan. Add fresh curry leaves and fry. Add chopped green chili. Add half spoon of mustard and cumin seeds. Add half spoon of chickpea or chana dal. Add 1 cup of freshly grated coconut. Add 10 cardamom and fry. Add cooked rice and mix. Finally, add salt to taste. Deep fry banana slices to crisp. Delicious coconut rice and banana kebabs are ready to serve. Try it at home and share your experience.